Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to sort the problem of Flipboard. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Flipboard and you click. In this page of app, on file we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Flipboard and you will click here. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.